Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Today we are here with a complete video. Today our topic of discussion is, how to display image on Datagridview, row mouse hover. Let's say one thing here, those who are watching the video for the first time, I request them to watch this video. Otherwise it may be difficult to understand the video. We are putting the video link in the description box and I button. Before starting the video, I want to say one more thing. Those who have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon next to it, and don't forget to share and like the video. So let's get started without further delay. As you can see, there are 4 rows in total, and each one has an image. Alright, this is our image location path. Retrieving images from this location. As you can still see, when I move the mouse over the name column, the image from the folder with that name appears. Pay attention to this matter. Alright, everything is fine. Now let's try to understand the whole thing through programming. Okay, first of all, we will add a picture box here. Now we will set the picture box properties. As you can see here, we have set the picture box visible to false. Okay, now we will go to the coding part. Here again I will say that those who are watching the video for the first time, they must watch the video given in the I button, otherwise it will be difficult to understand. So let's go. I would say to all the viewers, watch this part of the video very carefully without skipping it. Please, notice here, I have mentioned column index 1 here. Because here, if we count the columns, we see that column number 2 is index 1. That's why we wrote index 1. And same way we have written row index equal to 0. Okay, now our code is completely written. Okay, now we will execute and see what happens. Alright, as you can see, our code has run successfully. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe the channel, share the video and give a like. Thank you, see you in the next video.